say when you have cravings, go right ahead and satisfy them. That holds true even for my cheese muffins. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating them. Rule of thumb for a muffin is always mix the dry ingredients separately, the wet ingredients separately, and just merge the two together. So into a bowl goes in 405 grams of refined flour along with 2.5 to 3 teaspoons of this leavening agent, that's baking powder. Just mix the two together really well. I need this to be highly flavorful, so in goes a burst of Szechuan peppercorn sea salt. And I'm going a little overboard because this is what's going to merge with the cheese, giving it a very, very Asian twist to my muffins. Just mix all this together and set it on the side. With the dry ingredients mixed up, into a bowl goes in 3 whole room temperature eggs. We're just going to whisk this up slightly, and into this goes 1.5 cup of room temperature milk. Just pour that into the equation. Finally, into that goes in 90 grams of melted butter. Now I'm using herb butter with garlic in it just to accentuate the flavor of these muffins. Just whisk the whole thing up. Always remember for a muffin never to overwork the dough or the batter. So the mix goes in, the wet ingredients. Just give it 1 or 2 slight mixes. And now it's time to take 180 grams of cheese. I've used English cheddar and about 3 or 4 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Light strokes, work it up so that it just comes together really well. These go straight into my paper cups, ready to bake. Into a preheated oven, these go at 180 degrees Celsius for just about 20 minutes. These cheesy muffin tops satiate all that craving bang on. I hope you enjoyed creating one of my starry wonders, so simple yet so elegant in the making. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a comment below.